Hey there, have you ever wanted to send a bunch of emails at once but didn't know how? Let's chat about how you can use Gmail for bulk emailing. It's super easy and a game changer for staying in touch with everyone. Want to learn some tips and tricks together? Let's get started. So hello everyone, I hope everything is doing well first. So in this video, I will show you how to send bulk emails using Gmail like a pro. The first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into gmail.com and various things that you have to dive into. I will show you all these things. All right. So let's just get it started right now. So first, let's know what is bulk emailing. So bulk emailing is a fantastic way to keep everyone in the loop, whether you are sharing updates, promoting an event, or just checking it with friends and family. I will walk you through the steps to do it effectively, and I will also share some tips and to make sure your emails land in the right inbox and don't get marked as spam. Alright? So right now you have just to dive into mail merge. Firstly, you have to create a mail merge with Gmail and Google Sheets, and you will click over this one. Then you will find that the page where is this one. As you can see, here we have create a mail merge with Gmail and Google Sheets. Here we have the code and level, beginner, duration 10 minutes, project type, automation with a custom menu. Then we have here objectives, which is understand what the solution does, understand what the application script services do within the solution, set up the script, run the script as well. Then we have here how it works. Here we have you create a Gmail draft template with placeholders that correspond to data in a sheet spreadsheet. Each column header in a sheet represents a placeholder tag. The script sends the information for each placeholder from the spreadsheet to the location of the corresponding placeholder tag in your email draft. Right? So let's just scroll down right now. We have here request sites and set up the script. So about this one, we have here to use the sample. You need the following request sites. So we have a Google account, a web browser with access to the internet. Then we have here the setup, the script. So this one is very important to know it. Alright, so about this one we have here firstly to create the application script project. The first step, which is click the following button to make a copy of the Gmail and also sheets, mail merge, simple spreadsheet. The application script project for the solution is attached to the spreadsheet, and you click over make a copy and you'll find other page which is this one, as you can see, right? So I'll show you how you can do that. So we have just right now to read this information. Then about and your copy spreadsheet, you have just updated recipients column with email addresses you want to use in the mail merge. Then the third one, which is add editor remove column to customize the data you want to include in your email templates, as you can see. And also we have here create an email templates, run the script, review the code, modifications, contributors, next steps as well. All right, so right now let's just click over here, which is make a copy, and then you'll find other page which is this one, as you can see. Let's just show it to you. So here we have it, as you can see. About this one, we have here Google Sheets, copy document first, and we have would you like to make a copy of Gmail or Sheet mail merge. You have just to make a copy, as you can see. You have just to make a copy here, and you click over it, as you can see, and then you'll find other page which is this one, as you can see. Here we have various things that you have to know about mail merge and also Google Sheets. So right now we have here firstly the first name, and we have here also the last name, the recipient, the description, and also we have the discount code here, and we have the discount amount, the email sent as well. So we have just to right now firstly click over here and you add the title. And about one important note is now modify the first name. You have to let it like that, and also the second field or the second column, and you can just let it like that, as you can see. And also we have here the third one, which is recipient and description, and we have the discount code and the discount amount and email sent. All right, then we have here also, if we can back some examples, for example, we have here Sherlock Holmes. So we have the first name, which is Sherlock, the second name or the last name, which is Holmes. Then we have here the recipient, the description, as you can see, and here we have just to add it, as you can see. Then we have also here the discount code and discount amount and also email sent, and you get started with this one, as you can see. But firstly, I will show you how you can get started. You have just right now to dive into your Gmail. If you don't have an Gmail, you have just to create a Gmail by adding your personal information, and you get started with this one. Or you can just log in to find your account, and if we scroll down, we'll find here of various options that you have to know about this one. You have just right now to click over compose, and you will find other page, which is this one, as you can see. All right, so here we have the firstly to reception. Here is the discount code for this month. Here we have to, and you add the Gmail or the email, and then you come back. Here we have here the description, which is here is the discount code, and you add the discount code for this month. Then if you just scroll down, find here also hey, and you add the first name. Then we have here mention out to you to send you this month's discount code, and also we have here I hope to subscribe to us for more existing offers. We have a let us know what this experience is like for you, and we have a thanks and Jordan. Then you click over send, and you get started with this one, as you can see. Once you do that, you have just right now to come back to Google Sheets, and right now you have just to add your first name here, and you add the last name, then you add also the recipient and the description, and then you add the discount code, the discount amount, and you have just right now to click over mail merge, as you can see, and then you click over send emails, and you'll find at the page, which is this one. You have just to click over OK. Script dash this document needs your permission to run, and then you'll find a page, which is this one. You can just use your email address, or you can just use another one if you don't like it. All right, then you click over the one you want, and you get started with creating a mail merge. All right, and right now this is how it works. So to set up your Google Sheet for bulk emails, you have just to create a new sheet with headers like name, email, subject, and message. Fill the rows with the details for each recipient. Use placeholders like name and a message for personalization. This structure will facilitate the mail merge process for sending emails. Also, here we have here in the Google Sheets of various things, like if you want to just modify something, if you did a mistake, you click over redo and endo, and also we have various things like zoom out, and if you want also here how you want, for example, your text color and strike row, and I like if you want also bold one, and the size as well. And you get started with Google Sheets, and you create your mail merge by clicking over mail merge, by following the steps that I said and I mentioned, and then you will succeed with this one. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.